Are you in need of a multi-purpose tool? Got one in today. This is a multi-tool pliers. The good folks over at WOBANK sent this to me to do a little box opening and to show you what it looks like and what all it has on it. So I don't even know yet. We're going to find out though. It says it's for outdoor survival and tactical. See what we have here. 16 in 1. A lot of tools in one, that's for sure. Ooh, it feels pretty heavy. Oh, that looks nice, guys. Oh, wow. This is not one of them little cheap pair. Look at that, spring-loaded. Wow, what are all these tools? Oh, look at that. It's like a tiny pipe wrench. There's something else up here. What is this? It's like a file. Got a little file right there that doubles as a screwdriver. Over on the other side, oh, we got a little saw blade. Y'all check this out. I hope y'all can see that. Let me bring that camera up a little closer. Y'all need to be able to see this. This is cool. See that saw blade right there? Little screwdriver right here. Oh, it's even got like a measuring tape on it too. Now that is neat. Like I said, file on this side, screwdriver, measuring tape, saw blade. Here's that little pipe wrench looking thing that got a grip on it. See what we have over here on this side. Let me put this back up. All that put back in there. It all folds out really nicely. Regular knife blade. It's got a cool looking pattern on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. Maybe the light will hit it just right where you can see it. Very sharp too. Put that one back up before I hurt myself. Ah, a little pair of scissors. Look at that. I'm just looking. I don't know what all we have here. Let's see if this is a lock blade. Yeah, that's a lock blade. It's a release for the blade. You just push in right there. Well, not real sure what that is, but oh, okay, I got it. And then you push that to close it. All right, now I know what that is. That is a release for these. Push it in, and then it closes. You just put your finger right there, and lift those up. Like that. You have a little really sharp knife there. You cut through leather with that. Got a Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a bottle opener. You also have, I just saw that, inside here, right up in here, is wire cutters. You can cut wire with that right up in there. That is definitely very much a multi-tool indeed. Very nice. This is going to be one of those things that you're going to put in your backpack, your tackle box, and even the console of the car, the glove box, wherever. Really nice. There's probably some features on here I'm not even calling out. Get to use my little tool. Tell you what, I don't think you're going to find one any better than that right there. Now, I know they have Leathermans and all that. I don't know. This is a good contestant for a Leatherman. And I tell you what, just look those Leatherman multi-tools up. They're very expensive. I don't know, you know. I think this is a worthy contender. You might want to check it out. Plus, it comes with a little carrying pouch. Got a belt loop on there. You can undo that, run it through your belt or whatever. Really nice tool indeed. I'm going to for sure give this a thumbs up. This is going to be a keeper. If you want to get yourself one of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would very much appreciate that. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.